Hey everybody, welcome to ThriftNut. Our goal is to nourish your wallet and feed your body. We're going to help you figure out ways to save money and still feed your family really nutritious, yummy, good food. You don't have to short yourself or your family on the good nutrition. You can still do it and save money at the same time. Today we're going to tell you about a recent deal we got with sweet potatoes. Just making sure that you're looking for deals. It doesn't have to be your local grocery store. This happened to be at a local produce stand that we like to use, and we follow them on Facebook. 29 cents a pound for sweet potatoes. What a deal. If you were to go to the grocery store, something like this with the sweet potato cubes would cost you about $3.28 for 16 ounces. So we saved over 80% just by keeping our eyes peeled, looking for creative ways to pick up the foods that we're wanting to buy. So we got about 6 pounds of our sweet potatoes, and as you can see, we were careful to make sure that we washed them properly and peeled them to get them ready to be stored. And for these, we chose to freeze them. It's just a really easy way. Sweet potatoes freeze really, really well, and they're full of good fiber and potassium. They're a good source of vitamin A and vitamin C. They're really good calories, nutrient-dense, calories well spent. We dice them up into cubes, similar sizes. Doesn't have to be anything perfect, but this is how we typically like to use them, and they're easy to freeze that way. So we put them into freezer bags. We used our food saver, which I got on Facebook Marketplace, somewhere between $10 and $15. Came with a couple rolls of the freezer bags as well. So you don't have to spend a lot of money to try to preserve your food. But this comes in really handy, and we were able to get 6 meals essentially started out of this 6 pounds at 29 cents a pound for our sweet potatoes, less than $2. And we made a curry, sweet potato, cauliflower recipe for less than $1 a serving. We served it with rice. It was awesome. So thank you, everybody. Please come back, visit us again. Lots more videos to come. We hope you like, subscribe, and comment about things you'd like to see. Thank you so much. Take care.